Looking for a software engineering job with global reach in 2026? Today we are breaking down an exact Aptean development engineer role open across India, including what Aptean is, the job responsibilities, required skill, and how to qualify. Let's dive in. Coming to the company's intro, Aptean is a leading American enterprise software company headquarters in USA. The company builds industrial specific software solutions such as ERP, enterprise resource planning, supply chain, manufacturing, and product lifecycle management system used by thousands of business worldwide. Appian serves customers across sectors like food and beverage, logistics, retail, financial service, and manufacturing. Okay, students. Now click on the link present in the description. Coming to the job title and role, the role you are looking at is development engineer, sometimes also called as software developer or application developer under request ID 6283. This is a full-time position open across India, ideal for fresher graduates. Location pan India, including tech hubs like Bangalore, Madurai. Job category full-time employee regular. Full-time employee regular. Role summary. What you will do. As development engineer at Aptean, you will be responsible for writing and debugging and optimizing code, often using modern programming languages to develop software applications. Key responsibilities. In this role, you will write and debug code in languages such as Python, Java, C Sharp, C++, or JavaScript. Use modern AI tools to analyze and optimize software. Adapt to different development environments and technologies. Work collaboratively with senior engineers on testing and product maintenance. Support applications performance and database integration. Continuously adapt new tech and participate in team problem solving. Required skills and qualification. To qualify for this position, you should have a BTech or BE, BSc, MCA in technical field. 0 to 2 years of software development experience. Proficient in coding and debugging in at least one program language. Familiar with development tools like VS Code, IDE. Strong analytical problem solving abilities. Good communication and teamwork skills. This position is ideal for fresher graduates from 2022 to 23, 24, 25 batches. Let's wind up this session with, if you are passionate about coding, eager to learn AI driven workflows, want to begin your career in software development, this Aptean development engineer position is a great start. I hope this video is useful to you. Hope you enjoyed and share with your friends.